The figure shows three infinite non-conducting plates of charge perpendicular to the plane of the paper with the charge per unit length plus sigma, plus 2 sigma and minus sigma. Find the ratio of the net electric field at point A to that at point B. If I consider this part, over here, okay, this is A, okay, this is for first plate, second plate, and this is the third plate. The distance is not necessary, but it is plus sigma, over here it is plus 2 sigma, and over here it is minus sigma. Let me consider a point A which is between these two plates. Okay, so for this point A, the electric field due to a plate is given as sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught, depending on the charge density. So due to the first plate, the sigma will be in the right hand side direction, the electric field will be in the right hand side direction. For a positive charge it is moving away, so it will be equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught, 2 epsilon naught. Similarly, due to the second plate, it will move away, so there will be a electric field intensity of sigma divided by there will be 2 sigma divided by epsilon naught, so it will be equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught. Due to the third plate, now it will move towards the charge. Okay, for the negative plate, the electric field is towards the charge. Okay, so it will be equal to over here in the right hand side direction, sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. So the electric field, if you consider for point A, the total electric field will be equal to, now if I consider the right hand side as positive, it will be equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma divided by epsilon naught, okay, which will come out to be 0. So EA by EB will anyway be equal to 0, but still I will find out EB. Okay, we already know that EA by EB will be equal to 0 because in the numerator it is anyway equal to 0, but still I will find out at B. At the B we will use the same logic. Okay, due to the negative charge it will be in this direction, which is equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. Due to the positive charge it will also be in the same direction, which is equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught due to this plate. Okay, and due to the plate on the right hand side, it will also be in the right hand side direction. Okay, it will also be in the right hand side direction, which is equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. So basically EB will be equal to, all three of them are in the same direction, which is equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma divided by epsilon naught, which will be equal to 2 sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught over, or 2 sigma divided by epsilon naught. Okay, the ratio will anyway come out to be 0.